new day and a new beginning. Good morning, everyone! Hello, beautiful people! I hope you're having a wonderful day and happy weekend. And before tayo magpatuloy sa ating pagluluto, please don't forget to subscribe my channel there and hit the notification bell right there too, so you will be notified every time we will post a new video. Now, the one that I'm talking to, the recipe that I will show you is called chicken barbecue or barbecue chicken in the stick. We will put the chicken in the stick, then we will barbecue it in our grill. So let's go! Come with me. Ingredients of our recipe this morning or today is chicken, soy sauce, garlic powder, minced onions, fresh onions, and also lemon, and we need a big bowl. So before we will continue our barbecue, we will boil first our chicken here to come out the toxic or whatever in there, so it will come out. We will put in there right there everything, and we will wait, or we will boil that Have it. Our chicken barbecue is done. Sarap. Thank you all guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!